Oh, cool.
I think we're live, Perry.
What's up, Miguel?
I think we're live.
How's it going?
So I'm just hoping that this is going through. Join us. It says live. So I think we're live, man.
All right, cool.
Yeah, we'll
Cool.
we'll see. Let me just check on something.
All right.
Hold on. Let me see on my site. I apologize if this is the first flash sale live stream we've ever done.
Yep.
So I'm hoping this is working. And yeah, that would be great if it is. So let's see. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Oh, okay. It's working.
Oh, cool.
I can see
look
us.
at- oh, nice.
Woo!
No way.
Here. I can see us.
Okay.
See right there at the bottom. So it's working. So go ahead and turn it off because we're gonna have to give us a feedback, Rainbow. Rainbow,
What?
turn it off because it's giving me feedback.
Okay. I'm gonna start looping.
Yeah, it's gonna start looping. So let's.
Turn it off, right?
Yep. Okay. Cool. So we got some people. How you doing? Miguel
Barry, hello.
from Tattu and the man, the myth, the legend, Tech Tattoo in the U.S. This is Perry. And so today, for our first ever flash sale, we're gonna do what, Perry? What are we gonna?
Oh, we're gonna sell some HardCase batteries today.
We're gonna do some flash sale, and this is pretty incredible. So we got the 1550 and the 1300
4S.
4S
75.
75C tattoo. We call it Tattoo Shield. This is Tattoo Shield, Tattoo HardCase. Those are the two different names that we use for it.
Right.
And basically what it is, as you can see, there is no cables attached to this, and only thanks, Doug. Doug said it's working. So.
Oh, hey, right on. Hey, Doug.
So there's no cables here, so it's a clean connection, and in addition to the balance lead as well. And how about the durability on this, man? Because you could see it's encased in is this what kind of material is this?
I'm actually not sure what material it is off the top of my head,
Okay.
but basically it's a good piece of landing gear.
Okay, it works for a landing gear. So that's for my quad. This one of my quads. So I use it for the bottom over here as basically you can use it as a landing gear because it's pretty durable on top, which makes it a clean connection for your this is a 5-inch quad. So as far as durability, Perry, how durable is
Pretty darn tough.
It's pretty tough.
It's,
I know we've like run over it by car and stuff like that. It held up pretty
Right.
well.
Well, we use the same material on our hard cases for our RC car batteries.
Oh, I see.
They take a beating.
Okay, so you know more about that than I do. So for a limited time until we run out of this battery, it's again for the 1550 and also for the 1300. It's on the flash sale, level right now. What's the sale?
I think it was $13.99 for the 1300 and $15.99 for the 1500.
So the 1300 used to be about $25.
Yeah.
Yeah.
somewhere in there.
So now it's a flash sale for $13.99. Okay. Again, this is the quality of these is one of the highest quality that we have for these battery.
Right.
And then the $15.99 is going for right now on the website. I believe it's like $30.99, and it's gonna go
Yeah,
for
that's right.
yeah.
It's going for 15.
It's gonna go for 15. So it's about 50% off
Right.
for these batteries. So hopefully, once you get them, purchase them, it's probably gonna go pretty fast, pretty soon. And then in addition to that, there's a little bit special from Perry. So if you want,
This is for the flash sale, by the way.
That's only for the flash
only
sale.
For the flash sale.
okay, so this typically doesn't come with any connector because you can have this connected to your quad, whatever. But what we've been talking about, like for myself, is that for my quad, as you can see right here, is if I have it set up right here, then how do I connect, from the back to the battery? So I made like a connector like this to basically connect it from the top to here or from the bottom, right? So that you have a connection right here. So only for the flash sale, Perry will make a connector for you.
Mhm.
So how do they do that, man?
Very carefully.
So when you order, after you order the hard cases, what you need to do is just get the order
Your order
number.
number, and then just give us a call and let us know that you need
Yeah.
a battery lead.
Yeah. So this battery connector right here for your quad.
Show them how.
Oh yeah. So for the battery connector for your quad right here, and then you can connect it to however setup you have, and you can basically just plug it in there and whatnot. And Perry will make the connector for you
By hand.
in-house for free
Mhm.
for this flash sale. So there you go, some extra stuff.
That's right. Just let us know if you need one.
Yeah, exactly. So once again, it's for the 1550
Or the 1300.
or the 1300. I don't know how to do this. Or for the 1300 hard case shield battery that we have, and for limited time until this thing runs out, it's going to be at that price.
Mhm.
And then as far as specs, now the plastic thing adds about what?
19 grams.
About 19 grams to your regular 13 or 1550. So it's negligible, especially when you're flying like a 6-inch 6-inch battery, 6-inch quad for yourself. So that's what I have. What else, Barry?
Well, it's a really good insurance against destroying your battery
Yep.
should you have a wreck.
Yep.
It's really good a guard against prop strike. Also, we do include a detachable balance cable with the battery too.
Mm-hmm.
So you should be able to disconnect it for flight.
Got it.
Have everything set up for the bench.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Mm.
So, and this is once again, this is just the first of many flash sale that we're gonna start doing.
That's right.
We're not gonna inundate you with 1,000 1 or 2 piece flash sale like some people do. This is gonna be for a bunch. So we're gonna do more of this for, right now I'm looking at like some of the 4S, some of the 1S, some of the stuff. So so like, subscribe, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You can subscribe to my Instagram account and Facebook because I'm always there as well. So just do all of that stuff and expect more of this happening in the near future. All right. So so once again, just jump on this HardCase flash sale right now. So anything else, Gary?
It's only happening for a few hours.
Yeah. So it's happening until it's gone.
Right.
So on behalf of Tattu, I'm Miguel, I'm man, Perry. The man, Perry, the tech guy. So when you call for Ask for Perry, that's the guy you're talking to, right? So thank you, and short and sweet. So expect more flash sales, giveaways, and all that stuff in the coming days. All right.
Cool. Yeah.
Thank you. I'll see you guys.
All right. Take care.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.